everyone! Today I'm going to make coconut herbs rice, or in Jakarta, Indonesia, we call it nasi uduk. You can find this food easily on the street. It's one of the street food that I like, and I make this sometimes for my family. I start by washing basmati rice. I always use basmati rice to make nasi uduk here, because if I use the other type of rice, it will be too mushy. So I always wash my basmati rice twice. The first one, you can see the color was quite milky. This one is the second wash. It will be less milky. And I'll always make sure I wash it well and I drain it like so. And you'll see the color is less milky there. Then I drain it. Try to push some of the rice down, and then I'm going to add some herbs, some salt, and here are the herbs. I use 3 bay leaves. I use 3 lemongrass. Don't forget to crush the bottom. That's little piece of galangal, and some Kaffir lime leaves. See, I bruised the galangal and also bruised the bottom of lemongrass. I use 4 cups of basmati rice here. Now this is what how I do it if I want to get full flavor out of the Kaffir lime leaves. I can just use my fingers, or I can use scissors. But it's time consuming if you do it one by one like this. They do look pretty though. See? Or if you want them look kind of rustic, you can just use your fingers to tear the leaves. Here I use scissors. I like to use scissors. They look pretty. Like so. Okay. Oops. There you go. Pretty. Then after this, I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of salt. I use pink salt. I'm going to use coconut milk. I use 4 cups of basmati rice. So for 1 cup of basmati rice, you will need 1.5 cup of liquid. So for this, I'm just going to use the whole can of coconut milk, but I'm just going to measure it here for you. 1 first cup, 2nd cup, this one is 2nd cup, 3rd cup. I have to use the cup measurement. That's the same cup that I use to take the rice, so I know how much liquid in it. There you go, the whole can of coconut milk. And then I add water for the rest. So 4 cups of basmati rice, I use 6 cups of liquid. That's coconut milk and water. Add more water. And then I try to scrape out all of the leftover coconut milk. Don't like to waste. Yep. And then I'm going to mix it well. I put the towel under my rice cooker, because then it will be easier for me to dry the bottom before I put it in the rice cooker. There you go. Just mix them well and then put it straight into the rice cooker itself. And I just set it on plain rice. And we just wait. Now 2 minutes before it's done, it says remaining 2 minutes. See, there are some white bits of coconut milk at the top. That's okay, don't panic. I normally, this is what I do every time. They look like this. See that? I just need to mix the rice. I just mix everything. And close it. This is done. Fluff them up. Foggy. Oops, foggy. There you go. It's pretty and it smells amazing. I love the smell. Very fragrant. Now keep them warm. In the meantime, I also make my bihun goreng soto with the video link. I put the link at the bottom. The one in the first video I use lemon. I don't have lemon anymore, so I just use lime. Where normally with soto soup itself you use lime. I use lime here. This is just noodle, vermicelli noodle, bean sprout, soto paste, and spring onion, and a touch of oil. That's all. And it's done. I also make fried tempeh and tofu and sweet soy with some red chili to go with it. Thank you for watching.
It's so